Hey everybody, my name is Matt. We're here at the Bucks 3D Expo with Mike from Phillips representing Markforged. Why don't you tell us what you guys have here today?
Well, thanks for having us. So this is our entry-level desktop printer, 3D printer called the Mark II, and it's unique because not only can it lay down composite parts, but we can reinforce them with 4 different kinds of reinforcement materials such as Kevlar and carbon fiber. So super strong parts, easy and fast to print.
Wow, this is so cool. So this is tool grade.
Tool grade, ready for the factory floor, ready for any kind of replacement part, and keeping production going, keeping anything ready to use at the moment of completion.
That's incredible. So not only can you do a one-off tool,
right,
for so specialized use cases, it's going to be lighter and it's just as strong as what would cost thousands of dollars to have a machine shop make.
Exactly right.
Incredible.
You can have this right on your desktop. It's relatively small, hooks to a USB plug-in or your computer. Very intuitive to use, and the support system with Phillips is second to none. We'll be with you at all times
Awesome.
of the printer's life cycle.
Awesome. Yeah. Thank you so much for coming out today.
Thanks for having us. Yeah.
Thanks.